This is kind of funny actually, because this is like a competition. Normally it's not this busy and this bumping, so.
Right? Cool. Thank you, babe.
Yep. You're not gonna need any music. There's plenty of music out here. You got all the stations, easy listening, rap. Today we decided to do something different. As we were heading out to Fort DeSoto, we noticed there was a big event going on at Bunces Pass, so we decided to change our plans and anchor there for the day. It turned out to be a sandbar bash. A lot of boats at Bunces.
And there's a new sandbar out that way.
Oh yeah, there's that new sandbar, but we're gonna go try this over here. We've been over here before, so let's see if we can't get up in there with those guys. We're out here later because we stopped at that Sky Beach Marina and Hotel, which was cool. So we're just gonna go out of our comfort zone here today and try something different. So we're gonna shimmy our way up in here in the shallow water. Try something new. We're gonna bring you guys something new. Yeah, there's that new sandbar over there. We can always try that sometime too. That new sandbar is kind of like just formed out of nowhere. So we're just gonna could be shallow in here, babe. What's your depth?
14.
Okay, you're fine. So once we get up in here, so I would just pick us.
You didn't want to go back in there?
Wherever you want. You're the captain. How's that?
We can hear their music. You want to go over there?
I don't mind. Oh, yeah, let's go back over there a little bit. I don't mind, you know, if we hear music today and stuff like that a little bit. Because they've got that gorilla thing and the volleyball nets. So just go, yeah, and then we'll trim up over there.
This is 2.5.
2.5. Yeah. As long as we're not like 1.5.
Okay.
So they got this party going on here today.
There, and we'll come up in here. All right.
Good.
I think we're good. Cool.
Yeah, so we'll just go ahead and just do something different, you know?
Yeah. All right.
That's just how we do it here. It's not like it's gonna go anywhere.
Yeah. So they do have a DJ up there at Bunces, sounds like.
That's annoying. Fool with that later, I guess. Cool. There we go.
See your cleat.
Oh, don't be, now on camera.
Yeah.
Oh, shoot.
Pressure's on.
Pressure's on. How's that? I still know how to do that flippy thing. You twist it back.
That wasn't it.
Yeah, I know it wasn't it. So we're out here at Club Bunces Pass.
Club Bunces Pass! Woohoo!
Hey, we decided to mix it up. We were gonna go to Shell Key or Fort DeSoto, but we're out here later. Just gonna do it totally different and see what's going on. But this does look like a good time, you know, doesn't it? I mean, you got that big old monkey. Who inflated that thing? I saw like a Woody's car wash. They have a volleyball net going on over there, so this is pretty cool. So if you really want, this is probably like this is probably like one of the popular sandbars here in this area. So if this is what you like when boating, this is your spot. This is kind of funny actually, because this is like a competition. it's like a little float.
He wins.
He wins, but all right, he wins, but what y'all got? He's we went through.
You could do like a voiceover thing and be like, "Hey guys,
No, but it's like
there's so much music out here today."
oh, that would be so embarrassing, you know, like if my dad was playing that music. So this is why we don't come here. They're blasting their music because these other boys over here, they're blasting their music, and there's some music up there, I'm sure. So we're gonna embrace this today, right? This is just
It's entertaining. It's entertaining.
it's pretty funny actually. Yeah. So I don't know about going up on shore now. We're gonna go up on shore. We were going to.
More shallow though, babe.
Yeah. Well, yeah, because the tide. We'll have to. Because with the high tide, we'll have to watch this and pull out. If not, we'll get stuck. Pull out.
You don't know nothing about pulling out.
So we're just gonna watch this because as the tide goes out, we just don't want to get stuck. So hey, everyone out here is on the water.
Yeah, I didn't have a boat at that age.
Yeah. No, I'm sure only one person probably has the boat.
Yeah. And they're older.
That's the dad or whatever.
Might be a little something.
That's right. Always in the other one. All right, so there's that. That's one you want?
Yep. Oh, there's no tie?
Should there be a tie?
Yeah, I can't. How am I gonna hook it? I think. Well, there was like a, yeah.
I can take the other one, but. All right, so we're trying to get the music situation. You really don't even need music.
No, because you need to hang it from the...
Oh, did you find it? What's that? Oh, all right. So hair tie, you got it?
I got a hair tie, so I'll take that.
Oh, okay. Whew. That's all right.
So you got that?
Yeah, all right.
And then I would put it on this.
Gotcha.
Like a these, right? Cool. Thank you, babe.
Yep. You're not gonna need any music. There's plenty of music out here. You got all the stations. You got the easy.
No, I don't want all that.
You don't want the easy listening rap salsa. All right, so we're moving our spot here. I think we had enough of Bunces with all the music and stuff. We got something going on. Plus the boats are getting stuck because the tide's going out. And so we're moving to. So we're gonna go back to the Friday spot, aka the cut.
Yeah.
We're gonna.
I think it's gonna be nice over there. When we came out, it was later than we normally come out, and it still wasn't that busy.
Yeah. I'm just crazy.
It wasn't that busy, so.
So we're gonna putter over there. I'm gonna go ahead a little faster right now. I was gonna look up that boat that's going out the channel. Yeah. Go ahead and get the I always have like.
Look at that doggy on it. He's so cute.
I hope you guys liked this video. Make sure to check out the previous video where we go over exactly how much money we made on YouTube after 30 days of being monetized. Check that out, very exciting. And then we'll probably do another one here in the future over the 3 months. Give you an idea of how much money you guys can make if you are on the YouTube journey. See you guys in the next one.